Friends, have you ever walked a path where your heart screamed to turn back?
Yet, despite the fear inside, you ignored the warning and kept moving forward?
Today's story is about three friends, Raghav, Manu, and Ishan, seeking adventure.
From that dark place, only ashes come back, never the living people. They didn't know they were going to a place where memories don't return.
It was 8 p.m. in the mysterious Malana Valley. Raghav was driving.
Sweat beaded on his forehead. Outside, fog was so thick, headlights were dying.
Ishan held a torch from the back because nothing was visible outside.
Ishan asked fearfully, "Brother, is Google Maps right? This path seems endless."
Recalculating. Just a little more. This is what adventure is.
But the silence inside the car was like the calm before a storm. Suddenly, the headlights hit an old, broken board. Saryana Guest House.
Below it was written, "Welcome to peace," but the word was crossed out. Someone had crossed out peace with red paint, looking exactly like blood.
Manu whispered, "It looks like you don't find peace here, only pieces."
It was a joke, but nobody laughed. The car stopped at the building.
The three-story stone building stood silent, looking as if it was staring.
Raghav knocked. The door opened, revealing an old caretaker with sunken eyes.
He stared at them without blinking, his face full of deep wrinkles.
Then he said, "3 rooms are empty, but do not go upstairs. Those who go up never come back down again."
A chill ran through them, but they were too tired to leave.
They took the ground floor rooms, thinking the old man was just crazy.
But they were wrong. By 10 p.m., a snowstorm had started outside.
They sat by the fireplace when a sound came from the ceiling.
Thump! Thump!
It sounded like someone walking in very heavy boots.
Manu looked up in fear. "Who is that? The old man forbade it."
Raghav acted brave.
"I'll go check. It must be just an illusion." Raghav took the torch and moved towards the stairs. Every step creaked.
The stairs screamed, as if warning him not to come up there.
He reached the top corridor. The last room's door was half open.
He peeked inside. The room was empty, except for a moving rocking chair.
It rocked, as if someone had just stood up. Raghav's breath stopped.
Suddenly, a cold breeze hit his ear, and a female voice whispered.
The voice asked softly, "Why have you come here, my friend?" Raghav dropped the torch, screamed, and ran downstairs to his friends.
They tried to run out, but the main door was jammed tight. The male caretaker was missing. Fresh blood drops led back up the stairs.
Forced by fear, they went upstairs together to the room with the mirror.
Raghav looked into the blurry mirror and saw a terrifying nightmare.
Behind him stood two friends, but the mirror showed three shadows.
The third shadow was a burnt man stepping out of the glass. It was the caretaker, body burnt, with smoke pouring from his eyes.
He screamed, "Upar hai meri laash!" Raghav threw the kerosene lamp. The house caught fire. Raghav and Manu jumped out the window onto snow.
They looked back. Ishan was still at the window, smiling devilishly.
He waved and said, "You go! I stay here!" He was possessed.
Next morning, only ashes were found. Ishan was never seen again. 2 years later, a new board appeared there. Welcome to peace.
So remember, in the dark, dark